Yolanda, you look beautiful and tropical today. What do you got going on?
Thank you, Lori. I am going to Maui in the fall. Yes.
Wow, nice. I've always wanted to go to Maui. Can I ask you, how much is a trip like that going to cost?
I really don't know. What do you think?
I think you would love to come to our Piggy Bank Partners program that we're going to have at the library. Our program is going to teach you exactly how to save for big goals like a vacation to Maui. Especially since you don't know how you're going to pay for it, you don't know how much it's going to cost, you don't know where you're going to fly out of, and you probably haven't even thought about the kind of excursions you're going to take when you're there.
It's true. I don't know. So I guess I'll meet you in your office to find out more about this Piggy Bank Partner Program. Okay, Lori. I am here. What are you talking about?
Well, thanks for coming to visit me. I wanted to share with you some information about our Piggy Bank Partners program. Did you know that savers with goals are much more successful than if you just want to plan a trip without setting a goal?
Are you throwing shade?
No, I'm not. So let me tell you a little bit about it. IFAS Gadsden is partnering with America Saves for just this very purpose. We're going to teach people how to save for budgeting, how to create a plan, and to attain those goals like a vacation.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to be wonderful. So it's going to be held on March 30th from 10:30 to 12:30 at the Gadsden County Library on Pat Thomas Parkway, where it's open and free to the public. We want parents, we want kids, we want anybody who wants to learn about savings. So I hope you can come.
Okay, so it's March 30th from 10:30 to 12:30.
Yes.
It's free to the public.
Yes.
And did you tell me how we register?
Well, no, I haven't. That's a good question. Well, first of all, we want to try to have about 20 to 25 people.
Mm-hmm.
We want to keep it kind of small and intimate because we want to have a lot of interaction. So we're asking people to set up through Eventbrite. The link is going to be on our Facebook page, but we're also going to put an article in the newspaper with a link. We're going to put up flyers all over town. And if people really want to, they can just call here at the office. And our number here is 850-875-7255 to register for the class. Do you have any other questions?
No, but I do look forward to learning a lot so that I can achieve my goal of going to Maui.
Yolanda, what are you doing?
Oh, man! Lori, I guess it was a dream, but it was the most fabulous dream I ever had.